goal of this is, again, release some tension on the low back. You grab a door handle, you make sure it can't open because you're going to be leaning on it. You're going to hold it here, feet about hip width apart, slowly relax back.
Letting it bend in your lower back. You may need to play with how much you're bending here. I find it best right here. I feel it really loosening right in here. You're going to hold this for the prescribed time. If you want to go side to side, you're going to be opening up this side more here, and you'll feel it. Come back here, other side. But generally, you can keep it straight.